Leah, look at the camera.
Leah.
Leah. Yeah? Leah? Yeah?
Now take her off.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did you? What did you? Off. Off. Turn it off.
Leah wants to go back on the pony.
Go back on the pony. Go back on the pony. Go. Go.
Here's the pony. Here's Leah. She wants to go back to the pony.
Stop it.
No. Put her back on the pony. She misses the pony.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Too long.
Yay! Yeah, there she is. Now she's happy again.